The 68th MCA Annual General Meeting concluded ahead of schedule to facilitate disaster relief works in flooded areas of the Klang Valley. Considering the worsening floods in numerous areas nationwide, MCA President Datuk Seri Dr. Siong proposed that the AGM conclude earlier at 1:30 p.m. Sunday. All MCA members were also instructed to actively engage in disaster relief upon returning from the meeting. Dr. Wee said the Crisis Relief Squad of MCA CRSM has begun relief work on the ground to assist flood victims.
Dan untuk CRSM pula yang sebenarnya yang saya umumkan mereka akan ke kawasan-kawasan diumumkan. Kita ada CRSM setiap negeri, mereka akan membuat koordinasi kerja. Ya? Dan saya yakin sebab kalau ikut kalender Cina semalam ada hari ke-15, 16, 17, ini air adalah merupakan air pasang. Jadi saya rasa keadaan akan jadi rumit kalau hujan ni masih lagi turun. Jadi kita kena berhati-hati.
Dr. Wee, who is also the Transport Minister, said the ministry will leave it to the relevant agencies to issue emergency response notices in view of the flood situation.
I have instructed Pasarana to monitor closely. If there is a need to skip certain station, of course we will do it. They've done it in fact. As I mentioned to you, Masjid Jamik was one of them. Last night there was somebody called us saying that they are facing this problem, they can come up from the station. So because of that, due to the safety, then we immediately make a decision. Okay? We cannot wait for a meeting to be called and only decide. That's emergency response. I will leave it to Pasarana. And in fact, the CEO of Pasarana also contacted me, bring me what really happened, and then what are the immediate actions taken like that. So we leave it to the agency. They have to have this what we call emergency response plan, ERP. But sometimes it's because of soil erosion. Yeah? So certain area you have to close, or that some of the services need to be suspended because of that. I was told that this is bus services. Some area because of the delay, the buses cannot be returned, cannot go back to the depot on time. So there was a delay. So that also causing some problem to the subsequent service to the passengers.
He added that UMNO President Datuk Seri Ahmad Zahid had also asked UMNO members to do the same, and in his capacity as Barisan National Chairman, also instructed the BN Secretary General to lead the team in the flood relief mission. Earlier, Dr. Wee had said in a Facebook post that the opening ceremony of the 68th General Assembly had gone smoothly, with Ahmad Zahid officiating at Sanchun Hall in Wisma MCA. In the policy speech, Dr. Wee also touched on several things, such as the spirit of solidarity in BN, the rise of MCA, the economy, the Malaysian family, Undi 18, and also the 15th general election.